Is your skin looking dull, tired, or uneven? You don't need expensive creams or harsh chemicals to get brighter, radiant skin. In this video, I'll show you 7 scientifically backed home remedies that offer instant skin brightening effects using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Whether you are battling sunburn, dark patches, or just want to glow naturally, these remedies are safe, quick, and super effective. Remedy 1. Lemon and Honey Glow Pack. Let's start with the most powerful brightening combo, lemon and honey. Lemon contains citric acid and vitamin C that can help break down melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots. It also removes dead skin cells and tightens pores. Honey, on the other hand, hydrates and repairs the skin with its antibacterial properties. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply to face, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off. Note: always apply sunscreen after using lemon. It increases your skin's sensitivity to sunlight. Remedy 2. Turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric, also called liquid gold in Ayurveda, contains curcumin, which inhibits melanin production and reduces inflammation. Yogurt is packed with lactic acid, a natural exfoliant that removes dull, dead skin and boosts new cell turnover. How to use: combine 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt with half tablespoon of turmeric. Apply as a mask. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This combo instantly brightens while fading dark spots and acne marks over time. Remedy 3. Rice flour and milk scrub. Rice flour is rich in amino acids and ferulic acid, both of which helps brighten skin and improve texture. It also acts as a mild exfoliant. Milk contains enzymes and natural acids that lighten skin and moisturize deeply. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon rice flour with enough raw milk to form a paste. Scrub gently in circular motion for 3 minutes. Leave on for 5 minutes before rinsing. This scrub instantly improves skin tone, especially on oily or tanned skin. Remedy 4. Tomato juice and aloe vera. Tomato is rich in lycopene, a natural antioxidant that helps reduce sunburn and melanin build-up. Aloe vera is deeply soothing and anti-inflammatory. It calms skin while hydrating it from within. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon tomato juice with 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Use 3 to 4 times a week to notice brighter, firmer skin. Remedy 5. Potato juice for dark spots. Potato is loaded with enzymes like catecholase, which helps lighten dark spots under eye circles and blemishes. It also has mild bleaching properties, great for uneven tone. How to use: grate a small raw potato and extract the juice. Dip a cotton pad and apply to face or dark areas. Let it dry for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Best used daily for treating hyperpigmentation and even skin tone. Remedy 6. Papaya enzyme brightening mask. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that dissolves dead skin, unclogs pores and gently whitens the skin. It's full of vitamin A, C and E, which improves elasticity and fade discoloration. How to use: mash 2 tablespoons ripe papaya. Optional: add half tablespoon honey for extra moisture. Apply and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. You will instantly notice softer, brighter, more radiant skin. Cucumber and rose water cooling mist. Cucumber is 95% water. It hydrates, depuffs, and cools irritated skin. Rose water is a natural toner that soothes, balances pH, and refreshes dull skin instantly. How to make a mist? Blend and strain half cucumber, add 2 tablespoons rose water, store in a spray bottle and refrigerate. Use as a daily facial mist or toner, especially after a face mask or when your skin feels tired. Bonus remedy: Multani Meaty Instant Brightening Pack. Need a quick fix before a big event or date night? This Multani Meaty Pack is your go-to. Multani Meaty Fullers are deeply cleanses and cools the skin. Sandalwood soothes redness, turmeric brightens, and rosewater hydrates and tones. Recipe: 1 tablespoon Multani Meaty, 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, a pinch of turmeric, rose water to make paste. Apply for 15 minutes. Rinse off and apply moisturizer. Your skin will look instantly refreshed, tight, and glowy. These natural remedies are gentle, affordable, and free from harsh chemicals that damage your skin over time. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week and always follow up with sunscreen and moisturizer. Which remedy are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay natural.